Hello and welcome to the channel. My name's Robert, and today I'm going to make a quick video installing Parrot OS on top of my CachyOS host. So to do this, a couple things to note. I'm using CachyOS as my Linux operating system. This is my daily driver. For my virtual machine manager, I use Virt-Manager. And if you want to install this and you're on Linux, they have this here. I'll put a link to it in the description so that you could do it. I've already installed this software. And the reason that I want to use Parrot Security is because currently on the TryHackMe platform, and I've been doing the CompTIA Pentest Plus path. I took a break from it to do the advent of cyber. And then I saw some challenges that I wanted to get into. To do these labs, I want to use a virtualized environment using a security distribution like Parrot Security so that all my tools are contained in that virtual environment and I have everything there. I don't want to install the tools onto my host operating system. So what I did was I'm going to go to Downloads. For category, I'm going to choose Live. For Edition, I'm going to choose Security. And then AMD 64 is the architecture that I am on. So I'm going to click Download. And then I'll return once this is done downloading. All right, so our download has finished. Now it's time to go ahead and install this. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up my terminal. And I'm gonna start Virt-Manager. And from here, I'm gonna choose to create a new virtual machine. We're gonna do local install media forward. And then I need to browse to Parrot Security. It's in my downloads folder. You'll need to know where you downloaded it to and just point at that. I'm going to choose this volume and click forward. You must select an OS. So we need to uncheck automatically detect, and I'm going to type in DBN, and I'm going to choose 13. It's compatible with 13 and 12. You could choose either here. I'm just going to choose 13 forward. And then for memory, I'm going to choose 8192, basically 2048 times 4. Gives me 8 gigs of RAM. I'll choose 4 CPU cores. Important to note here, I have up to 64 gigs of memory that I can allocate to virtual machines, as well as 16 CPUs. So I'm choosing what I want to allocate to this virtual machine based off the resources that I have available. You'll need to know what you have available, and you could check the minimum recommended resources from the Parrot Security documentation. It might be a lot less than what I'm allocating. We're going to click forward. And again, here for hard disk space, I'm going to choose 80 gigs just because I anticipate downloading a lot of files from labs and maybe some more tooling. Click forward. Change the name of this in my Virt-Manager to ParrotSec. Customize configuration before installing, and just look over network selection. Make sure network selection. Now I'm going to choose bridge mode for now. Finish. Overview. And it's important to know that you can always come back to Virt-Manager and change any of the resources if you need to make modifications later. So I can go ahead and install it with these baseline resources and decide later if I want to increase that a bit. I'm going to go ahead now and begin installation. We're going to put this into full screen mode, and I'm going to do try install. And this will bring us into a non-persistent version of Parrot Security where I can then make the actual changes to install it. All right, so we are in our desktop environment. Close these for now. And we've got the script that we can run that will do the actual installation. We're going to go ahead and launch that. I'm going to choose American English. My time zone is going to be Central near Chicago. Choose that. Keyboard layout, I'm going to keep it the default. For disk, I'm going to choose to erase disk. No swap. That looks good for me. Next. And then you'll want to input some information here. So my name is Robert. I'm going to change the name to ParrotSec. And then a password that works for me. Make sure that those match. Next. Quick look over, make sure everything is correct. Hit install. Install now. And now that that's installing, this is going to take some time. I'll return when this is complete. All right, looks like our installation has completed. Our next step is to restart. I'm going to go ahead and finish that. This is pretty much going to conclude this video. I want to keep it pretty short and concise. We're going to launch back into our virtual machine. And I only set up one user. It was myself. So we'll just need to log in and make sure everything's working. Again, the reason that I wanted to use this is for labs and try hack me, keep all my security tools compartmentalized. Let's go ahead and log in. And there we go. We've got Parrot Security installed in a virtual machine on CachyOS. I'm going to go ahead and close these. My next steps will be doing updates and customizing this to my preferences. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.